Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so midin de adwoa search ene ni dey di kan ya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification ene sa ne news de betu bia we benye bia tie anase we benye bia hwe wo GC and page ha Marie Buedu eye blogger wo Facebook na okasa de ma NDC amayoku no na Marie ena okase watutu bi amane eye NDC grassroots na enya asem keto akra o kyerese NDC grassroots no omo ye serial callers omo a kyerese omo boa na party na etimi eba power no sebi bebre na enim nyansa ai o se bebre enim nyansa kyerese omo ba social media ne so a nsem hunko a na omo ebedi na sa nsem hun ya mudi ebesidai na eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama na nisuade hu a ose opese obaye president bio ni sense hu amude be side de number power na de ntia Marie eka ensem si anase watoto bi dia mane NDC fo no emu enchiremuni Marie kyerese obetena Facebook na se oso camera sene so na okasa onkasa enfema NDC na onkasa enfema NPP ewum so kasa de ma NDC but ni nyina no ekosi ade ba akopeso se Ghana be fa into mapa efra Ghana betumi akonanim se na ebe ya atememfo no yenso ye ho ebeto yen oyo man bapa nti no kasa no na Marie de nti a ekofa ensem we na eba ene se enano budget a eye honorable Ken Ofori Atta finance minister ebeken kan ya watu ne din inkabom budget no Marie kyerese sisie no oye Ghana ni a umpew he hardship na ye komu wiase no Ghana yente different planet yenso ye wo wiase ni bi nti hardship na ye koso wo UK US Canada no yenso ebi eka yen so it's about time say ye NPP na NDC etonchen na ye face reality na ye boa omanpani His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na NPP amayoku no mutumi ekomo anim ye boa mo se na be ya economy ni bejane nan so na Ghana fo ye ho atoye na kame akoye se NDC fo no because omo opposition no pese omo ba power enti no chese ensemhu nkwa no omudi na sa ensemhu amudi in the economy na ye se Nana do ye se Ofori Atta ye se na moka no moka na se economy no mo amboa na enjane nan so a 2024 yeto abana so mampani dada John Dramani Mahama be president na NDC fo mo ba power mo be bre papa Ghana fo ye betwa bomo akasa because at that time na economy na atete kra ene san ye de sombuni na be bo mampani dada John Dramani Mahama nti mommoa na se NPP na nado na ne mpanifo mpese economy ni jana nanso ayemboa na economy no enjane nanso ni nja NDC na NPP na ensem we ya Marie eka okasa as good citizen no na NDC ni bi be ma comment na o chese Marie Buedu wasisie ya otiwe enya de obi age wudi NDC o NPP o kasa obi anje wudi because one kasa woni bebia wo I say why you frustrated be in o kasa ma NDC e chana o kasa ma NPP na sa comment na NDC ni be ma na Marie Buedu e chese he mo NDC grassroots fo no ma adwen ye o mo ba Facebook nsem hu kwa na mo bedi me kanyansa sem se o man no yemboa na o mampani budget obekan yen watu ni din se nkabom budget no yemboa na o man nkwa na nimi na America nsem hu se na oba bedi meboa nsem hu se na oba bedi na Marie Buedu keka na adwen pa e de eche dipa na o be ma comment no a o kire se ono NPP fuji ni dio NDC fuji ni dio one de dio hia ne se o kasa de magana se ne be ya Ghana be fa ne ntoma pa e de efra na yentie ensema Marie Buedu e de etudwa anase na dwen okeka e de eche NDC ni no be ba comment e wo ne platform so no.
Those were my humble opinion, Marie. My only concern is that with time, none of the camps will take you seriously, I'm afraid, because of And did I tell you I'm here for any camp to take me seriously? Hey, did I tell you I was here for any camp to take me seriously? The MPP, they don't take me seriously for a long time, and I now win him. Saeed Adam. MPP for what you people are doing today, they've done it 10 times over. They did it in 2020. And I will if you boy no Canada. No. Say that. Ure free boy no Canada. No. Any or more maka, Kofinya, Konom, and all the others. Urefi. Have you forgotten? Debut. MPP will not take me seriously. How is that your problem? How is that your problem? NDC will not take me seriously. How is that your problem? Both camps will not take you seriously. How is that your problem? Because we are trying to put Ghana on the road to recovery. Meba be puti Ghana, meba be ka their finance minister aka. Nama ka kire Ghana for say, baby aye drew no, yen yina yen rally behind the finance minister. And the same thing, Haruna Idrisu said it in parliament. Haruna could have taken it seriously, and with the greatest of respect to Haruna. What I am saying today is no different from what Haruna said in parliament last week. What I am saying today, that we should all rally behind this government, because we cannot continue to lambast. In regards or in context to the road to recovery, we must all, because my Ghana must begin its road to recovery. And also, President Mahama Mpobekebi, President Mahama Nankasankasakura, Obekebi, Nano man talk. Then President Mahama cannot be trusted. Then President Mahama too does not have integrity. Then President Mahama too does not have credibility. Because both President Mahama and Haruna Idrisu, leader of the minority, have all said, dear Drono, we must rally behind the government. That we must bring the country back. Ghana. Now, if we don't bring Ghana back, President Mahama about 2024, country ben oba be rule. Someone who said Mumu no muni manyansa. Someone who said muni manyansa. One with their politics I am partisanship I am. One with their partisanship I am, especially Mu NDC for. You thought it was all about you, right? And your party. You thought it was all about you and your party. Therefore, na me come 2020 no, and know that it was okay. Talk of credibility and integrity with both camps. Now both camps, yes, me fa wo mo sa. Both camps, yes, me fa wo mo. Na me te wono me pay integrity and credibility with MPP for Sebio. No disrespect to MPP. But credibility and integrity na me train with MPP and can criticize you on my government for almost 4 years. Because me started by 2018, 2019 with them privately.